Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I got something really cool to show you. The brand new voice activation switch panel from Novsight. This is not only a clean way to control all of your lights and accessories, but it responds to voice commands. Yep, no more fumbling through those switches when you're off-roading. Just say it and your rig listens. Let's get into the unboxing, install, and give you my first impression. QR code as always. These are the different stickers I'm going to be able to place and modify it exactly how you would want the switch panel to be. And here it is. Wow, this is so nice. Look how cute and compact this is. Fits perfectly in the palm of your hand. Okay. This is the main switch panel. Let's take a look. We got all the cables here. This is your silicone protector for that switch. Cables. Of course, you got all your little tools. Okay. So in the box, you've got the main switch panel, the wiring harness, the relay box, and the voice activation mic. The build feels solid. The compact panel with backlight buttons and the relays are pre-wired, so you don't have to spend hours trying to figure out the connections. And the voice feature is the real game changer. You can command your pods, light bar, and any accessories hands-free. Let's get this started. Let's go. Okay guys, so we're gonna go ahead and install this near the battery for easy access. We wanna make sure that we use the mounting brackets that it is provided and have them secured nice and tight where everything's gonna go. So that way all of our wiring system here gets connected. Okay, this is a nightmare, right? So thanks to Novsight, we're gonna be installing all of these messy cables into this compact switch panel, okay? That's gonna be installed here next to the battery and will be controlled by this little controller, voice activated controller. And we're going to install individually into each one of these ports, and each port will have its own little function for all of my lightings and accessories that I have installed here in the Jeep. This inside, just remove this rubber grommet and pass it through the firewall. There we go, little by little. Okay, I'm going to go inside and reach from in here. Ta-da! Here we go. Okay guys, want to make sure that there's no slacks. Nice and tight, it's not tangled anywhere. Perfect. Let's come around here. And here it is. Perfect. Let's do this. Okay, the installation has been completed. I'm going to go ahead and show you what we installed in the switch panel, the Halo Pros and the Halo 4.5s. Come on. So over here, you can see there's no mess of cables anywhere. Here is the switch panel. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and show you real quick. Okay. Look at that. Nicely organized. Okay, I have here installed my bumper pods. Over here is my Halo Pros, and over here is my the Halo 4.5s. Okay, I kept them separate because you got to show here the positive. You got to install the positive posts, the negative posts, and then here are the two different DRL modes that I want fully functional on my rig. And then over here, the same. I have your positive, your negative, and your two different DRO modes, which is your amber and your white on my 4.5s. Okay, and this, I know I have it upside down, but these are my this is my channel 4 and 3 over here on this side. And then these two here are my channel 5s. And then all this here is my channel 6, 7, and 8. I'm gonna show you now on the remote. Nice and clean. Screw this back in. Okay, screw it back in. I really did not need to use the mounting brackets that it comes with. It fits nice and tight and snug in here. Nothing's gonna happen to it. It's completely safe. All right, now let's go inside and show you the voice commands, how well it works, and show you how I have it set up on my remote control. Come on. Okay, I have here the blue set up. Blue's my favorite color. Blue matches my car. I just absolutely love blue. Now I'm gonna say, hey Novsight, turn on channel 2. Perfect. Turn off channel 2. Turn on channel 3. Turn off channel 3. Turn on channel 4. Turn on channel 8. Turn on channel 7. Turn off channel 8. Turn on channel 6. Turn off channel 4. Turn on channel 5. Turn on channel 8. Turn off all channels. Everybody's off. This is really, really, really amazing. Advanced technology to the fullest. This Novsight control switch panel isn't just another accessory. It's your ultimate command center. Upgrade your ride, upgrade your control, upgrade your safety. Visit Novsight.com today and experience the future of vehicle control for yourself. Take command, drive smarter, go further with Novsight.